everyone, this is Sun Ji-young from the Korea Herald's Business Desk. Today we're going to look into how artificial intelligence is improving automated translation programs and compare two apps that are competing in the Korean market, which are Naver's Papago and Google Translate. The key technology we are looking at is a type of AI-based algorithm called neural machine translation. This basically means that translations are made in entire sentences rather than by individual words or phrases, as was the case with former translation algorithms. Essentially, the machine will look at different ways to interpret and combine the words of a sentence and later determine the most appropriate translation based on context. This is designed to mimic the way our brains learn and process information. The Korea Herald decided to check out just how well these AI tools can handle translations from English to Korean and Korean to English. First up, translating English sentences into Korean.
He married his college sweetheart.
그는 대학 애인과 결혼했다.
그는 대학 졸업한 애인과 결혼했다.
So here, Papago correctly translated the sentence to say, he married his college lover. On the other hand, Google slightly missed the meaning of the sentence. It says he married his lover who graduated from college.
Don't sweat the small stuff.
사소한 일에 목숨 걸지 마라.
작은 것들을 땀을 내지 마라.
Here we have an English idiom, and Papago offered the correct corresponding Korean idiom, don't bet your life on trivial things. As for Google, it gave quite a literal translation that is grammatically awkward and incorrect. The Korean sentence provided by Google came out roughly to don't sweat out small things in a physical way.
The outgoing CIA chief ripped into President-elect Trump's stance on Russia.
퇴임하는 CIA 대통령은 러시아에 대한 러시아 대통령의 입장을 고수했다.
시아 국장은 대통령 당선인 트럼프의 러시아 입장에 대해 찢어졌다.
This sentence was taken from a recent news article. Let's see how the apps translate the phrase ripped into. Papago missed both the subject and the object of this sentence. The Korean translation says, the retiring CIA chief upheld the Russian president's stance on Russia. Google almost had it, but ended up offering a very literal translation, saying that the CIA chief was physically ripped into pieces about Trump's stance on Russia. Now let's try translating Korean sentences into English.
김태희와 비가 결혼한 게 사실인가요?
Is it true that Kim and Bai tied the knot?
Is it true that Kim and Tae married?
Here we have a simple sentence asking if it's true that the Korean actress Kim Tae has married P, also known as Rain, who is an actor and singer in Korea. Papago correctly translated the sentence, although it simplified Kim Tae's name to just Kim. It even used the English idiom tie the knot to explain that the two got married. On the other hand, Google didn't recognize that P is a name of a person and ended up asking if Kim and Tae got married, which is incorrect.
중부 경북 지방에는 한파가 불어닥칠 전망이다.
In Central and Gyeongbuk Province, a cold spell is expected to hit the central region.
A cold wave is expected to blow in Central and Gyeongbuk provinces.
This is an excerpt from a weather news article. It says that a cold wave is forecast to hit the central and north Gyeongsang province regions of Korea. Papago seems confused on this one as it didn't quite catch the subject of the sentence. Google did a better job correctly identifying the Korean verb 불어닥치다, which would translate to blow across in English. Although hit would be a more natural translation, blow across still gets to the meaning.
그 둘은 죽이 잘 맞는다.
The two are well matched.
They both fit well.
This is a difficult idiom in Korean which literally translates to the two thumbs match up well, which means that two people get along really well. The word juk here also can mean porridge in Korean, so let's see if that confuses the applications. Surprisingly, both Papago and Google gave us correct translations. Although we've only looked at a couple of examples, it looks like our AI translators are providing improved translation results compared to their previous versions. In terms of translation accuracy, Naver's Papago seems slightly better at translating between Korean and English. This may be because, compared to Google, Naver has access to a larger pool of Korean language data that it can learn from and study through repeated machine learning. Although AI translators are going to continue improving, for now it's probably best to use these translators to obtain rough first attempt translations of simple sentences. Thanks for watching. This was Inside Tech by the Korea Herald.